Hi, welcome back to my channel. You still here? So in this video, I would like to share to you how to be a full-time YouTuber. Okay, so how to be a full-time YouTuber. So in this video, I would like to explain to you how I become a full YouTuber. So even not even 1 year. So for the beginning, I introduce myself first. So I'm Giselle here, a video creator and the influencer. So hi. So in this video, I would like to share to you that how to become a full YouTuber. So for the beginning, you have to think first that you have a confidence to talk in front of the camera, and then you have to think first what is your content and what is your niche. So at the beginning, like for me example, I decided mix or tutorial. So I decided to post most of the time, and then after that I have on my own times to be like, for example, if I post every day also can, and I can post most of the time if I really need it. So what I do is I just make a video every single day until I monetize. And then because I really decided that I want to become a full-time YouTuber, so I really need to reach the monetization process, so at least I can become a YouTuber. So at the beginning, of course, you must know that actually your videos, actually your videos is your product, is your brand. Your channel is your brand, and then your product, example, like the product of your selling, like for example your videos, so you are expecting that full of viewers watching your YouTube videos, and then you have to be, for example, you have to post for other social media, so if you want to become a YouTuber, you have to think your niche, or you have to mix your niche videos to put in the YouTube channel, so because of course no one says that, oh, how come you post these videos? Okay, so some is they are focusing for tutorial, and some they are focusing for traveling vlog, and some they're for them. No, but you decided yourself how it is, how you post in your videos, your channel, and then you have to think also that it's not easy actually, but if you really love your job, it's easy for you. And then I share to you guys that, for the beginning, I am doing my YouTube videos at night, and I'm doing my YouTube videos at morning, so sometimes we cannot be the same. Okay, so the 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 best thing in the YouTuber is your own time. You have your own time to publish, and then you have your own schedule to publish, and then you have your you are the boss of your brand. You are the boss of your brand, and then you can think what product you are selling. For example, like, you are an influencer, so you try your best that you can do it as you can, so that is what I am doing to be a full-time YouTuber. And I post it every time and every single day. And then after I monetize already, so I do it every once a week or twice a week, so after that, because you have to make a gap also for the YouTube, they review your videos, you have to give times for them also, so that is what I am doing. And then for the beginning, I am doing the tutorial. So after I do the mix of the videos, because I'm thinking that, so it wasted time that, I'm focusing that my tutorial. So it's better to share also some of the lifestyle or the affiliate marketing topic, so I am the affiliate marketing expert also, so I am doing that the same, not only one, the influencer, and then I do the lifestyle also. So I am doing all of them, so easy for you guys. But if you really want to focus like tutorial only, so up to you. Okay, so that is how you become a full-time YouTuber. And then the full-time YouTuber, of course, you cannot earn as soon as possible, so unless your video is viral, a lot of views. So easy for you to make a content if you are alone. Of course, if you can pay someone, so if you are alone to do the editing, and then you to do the everything, so it's not easy for you. But some, they will do someone or videographer so to do the editing, so easy for them, so they can do a lot of content. So for us, we only do it ourselves, so you have to do it one time, also one day. Okay, so easy for you guys. So that is what I am doing, and then you have to do it as soon as you can, and then just do it. Consistency is the king for the YouTuber, so a full-time YouTuber. And then every single day, because the YouTube will send you an email that they will update you by this year. Like me, I already received, and then I already pressed, I have a join button, so I have already a membership. So I am very lucky. So the YouTube already approved my application as a membership in the YouTube. So I already have a join button in my application in my channel. So easy for me, guys, so easy for you to earn the money for that, and then easy for you to, like for example, you to publish your video, so a lot of people will get to know you. Okay, so that's the best way you can do it. So just do it. Yeah, like keep on posting, keep on posting, but you don't burn out, because the more you burn out, the more you never think that what is your next videos, so it's not easy for you guys. Okay, so that is how I did my as a full-time YouTuber. So you must think first what product you want to show to them. Product is your, actually is your videos. Okay, like few of your viewers, so that is the best way, you guys. You just think positive and just keep on doing it. Don't give up, so you just don't give up. And then you have to think that is really, you have to be more in the SEO. Your keyword also, you must think properly. Okay, prosperity, and then your keyword, and then your thumbnail, everything. So you have to think all everything is this, so even I going out, sometimes I take the video, and then if I think that what is my next topics, so that is how you feel as a become a full-time YouTuber. You must think what is your next content, what is your next videos, so and also you have to map also your content, so which part, example, you're staying in Malaysia, and then you map it, so you have to map it that, so you have to think carefully which you are staying and which is the location of your content, so it's very good idea for that. And then you have to be more on social media, so you cannot be in one place only on YouTube, because you have no viewers. So if you put in the Facebook, you can get more views. If you put in the other social media like Pinterest or Instagram, so you can get more views on that. Okay, so that is the what I am doing, so I reached already about 60k views or 50k views, so easy for me, guys. And then we have to be more every single day. You have to be more on videos. You have to post most of the time. Okay, so that is what I do. So if you post every day, and then the viewers will get to know what is your product is. Okay, so that is the best way. And then you have to be more think positivity, that you have your own content. Okay, so yeah, you are the boss of your content, and then your channel, and then you have to think properly that when is your, you have to be scheduled, and when you want to post your videos. Okay, so that's the best way. So just think positive, don't be born out, and then think what is your next content again and again. And then you have to be more on like for example the duration, if you really need it, but actually it's not really compulsory. What is your duration until 30? Duration is long way already, so if you want to make it less, you make it less. So that is the best thing you can do, guys. Okay, so you have to be more focused what is your product, so like for example, oh, I want to show them, so like for me example, I change a bit. So when I change, oh, I know, oh, this my video is, the content is not a lot of viewers, and then some is few of a lot of viewers, so it's not really the same, so it's not the same all. So you can do as you can. Okay, so just post it and post it and post it. Then after that, you can be a full-time YouTuber as long as you manage yourself, guys. Okay, so this is the best thing, so just try your best, try your best, what is your niche, and then think positive what you can do. Okay, so that is how what I am doing, how I become a YouTuber until I monetize, and then I continue until this month. Okay, so I hope that next 2021 we can get more videos, and then we can get a lot of viewers. Okay, thank you so much guys for watching. If you are new here, please subscribe my channel and please comment my notification below, and then please join my membership, and then guys you can see the my full video. Okay, so thank you so much. Bye.